Well, the students are really excited. Every week they're excited about basketball and which team's gonna win and stuff like that. And the parents are just really excited that they were able to participate in something and it didn't cost them anything, which I think, like with the cost of things today and stuff, it's hard for families, especially if they have multiple children, to be able to get them involved in sports like that. So they've been really grateful and appreciative of the opportunity. I think it's really a great way to build culture for our schools, encourage our students to, do well and be good sports and, work in it as a team, because sometimes kids have a struggle with that.
I know a lot of sports, you pay a lot of money to play. This is absolutely free. The kids know that, in order to play, you've got to be in good standing in the class. It's an encouragement for them. It's encouragement for their families too, to come in and just to watch them have fun, to watch them grow. I would encourage highly for any time that the YMCA come in to your school, take it on, because it's a win for everybody.